53 years old, and I want to go ahead and talk about in depth why people age. Some of it is common sense, and some of it is very, very simple. So, number one, we've heard a million stories about the sun. However, what are wrinkles? Are sun-dried skin. We can't, as women over 50, still be and look the same as we were in our 20s. It's just the point. So we were a size 4, we're not a size 4 anymore, but women insist on staying a size 4 over 50. You're going to look older. It is a simple fact, especially if you've been in the sun, especially in the 80s when it was super popular, right? And you're not moisturizing, you're not using a super SPF. When I was a kid, I wasn't allowed to wear makeup. However, the makeup had a stronger SPF than SPF creams. So I would sneak and just put on foundation and then do like a cherry chapstick and get a little color from that, right? Seriously, I started young. I'm 53. I've had no surgeries. And one of those reasons is because I did my time in the sun, don't get it twisted. But I stopped at a certain point because I didn't want to look like my friends who were still smoking a pack a day in the sun. They looked like they were in their 40s and they were 25, okay? So I kind of picked it up young. Girls that are younger, I get it. You're doing the Botox early. You're getting the surgeries early. Nobody's telling you not to. However, it's an inside job to stay looking young because those things are either going to need maintenance or they're going to wear off. So we have to be careful what we eat, the stress level, and the sun. Again, women over 50, we're trying to wear the same size 4 jean. Don't do it. And it's about heavy moisturizing. I wouldn't even tell you to walk a dog without a heavy moisturizer. And I'm not talking about dip, dip, dab, dab, dab. I'm talking about the heavy duty one that you can see. I don't care if it's Vaseline. You talk to women in their 80s, that's what they're using for moisturizer is Vaseline. It's amazing. So, if you don't want to do a heavy moisturizer, do something natural. A cold press olive oil is your ticket. It doesn't get rancid as fast. Then you don't want to have that super matte foundation either. Get something with a gel. Get something with an oil. Get something with a moisturizer. It's a 24/7 job. Also, the stuff that you ingest, coconut milk, coconut water, has so many electrolytes and all of its own oils in it. It helps your hair, it helps your skin, it helps you stay nourished, but it is a heavy-duty inside moisturizer for the body. As I said, I started when I was 14. Girls, start now. It is a 24/7 day job. So, you're doing the Botox and this and that, but you want to keep it up. You want to maintain it. You don't want to have to keep going back for surgeries. There's nothing wrong with that if you want a nip and a tuck. But if you're doing the same area over and over, you have to do some of that maintenance. You have to do some of that outside maintenance and not resort to just, oh, help me, oh, you do this, oh, you do that. You have to do some of the work. And I'm not just talking about the gym because a lot of that is wear and tear on the body as well. We're talking about a lot of sun. That's what spray tans are for. That's what spray on makeup is for. cut it down. Start now. If you're in your 70s, you're not too old. You can start now. It is never too late to look better. Some people have to have the facial structures for a super short haircut in order to rock it, right? But on some of us women, it makes us look older. Sometimes long hair makes us look older. Sometimes the color of the hair can make you look older if you're young. You know, if you're older, warm it up. Now, if you're a Helen Mirren, you can rock the blonde, the silver, the platinum. But don't think that she doesn't have professionals doing hues of color. You know, if you're going to do an all platinum look and you're a much older woman, add a little bit of a blue tint. Be at your best.